Gulnar, Gulkirat, Gulpanag, Gulkaur.
Gulkirat Kaur Panag.
Gul Atari.
Maybe, one day.
Maybe. What is the biggest grandeur of delusion you've encountered in this industry?
I think an actor would not be able to function if he didn't have a certain element of delusion within him or her. I think most people are fairly intelligent, but it's the people they surround themselves with.
What is the most diva-licious tantrum that you've ever thrown?
I didn't be allowed to throw tantrums. Unfortunately, I always worked in small budget films. And there was never anything to throw. I mean, I didn't know what I could ask for, like another bottle of water. I don't know. I mean, I've never been able to do that. Now I start, maybe.
On what occasions do you lie?
When I want to have fun. And I never lie seriously. I never lie to try and get myself out of trouble because I've always been too honest for that. But I lie a lot when I want to have some fun at my own expense and others' expenses. So I cook up all these stories, and I've been like, I was a doctor on a flight once. I had to be restrained by the person.
And that's not at someone else's expense. I mean, that person could have died because Gulkirat decided she was going to be a person who's going to save this
no doctor. If there was no doctor on the flight,
and you would have known what to do.
I mean, I would have given him some CPR or something. I don't know. But I've done... That's the kind of lies I tell. Doctor, lawyer...
This is not it. Please.
Police.
Stop.
Officer.
What is the most ridiculous dialogue you've ever spoken?
I know these. I make a list of these. तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हें किसी की जरूरत नहीं तुम्हें I know this dialogue. तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हें किसी की जरूरत नहीं तुम्हें लगता है okay, I got it. तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हें कोई छू नहीं सकता इसलिए तुम I can't remember it. Oh my God. Obviously.
Okay, take a minute.
हाँ. तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हें किसी की जरूरत नहीं इसलिए तुम्हें कोई छू नहीं सकता सच तो यह है कि तुम कमजोर हो तुम में हिम्मत नहीं है अपने अरमानों का सामना करने की उन्हें समझने की उन्हें जानने की तरस आता है मुझे तुम पर क्योंकि तुम वो कभी हो ही नहीं पाओगे जो मैं हूँ. The last part was modified.
Okay, especially the way you're saying it right now.
I didn't say it like that.
I don't even want to see this film.
But having said that, I think it's an actor's job to make the most ridiculous lines your own and make them look like that's the most natural thing to say.